Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay. This is Success in Montego Bay. And this is where they are going to be building the Moon Palace, a massive 32-floor hotel with 1,200 rooms. This is actually the second Moon Palace to be built in Jamaica. The first is in Ocho Rios. I think that one is 700 rooms, but it is the tallest building in Ocho Rios. We're going to give you a tour of that one very soon. So recently, the Prime Minister did the groundbreaking for the start of this hotel. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Now, this area of Montego Bay is becoming basically a tourist mecca. To the left of this hotel, you have sandcastles. To the right, you have three massive hotels. One is the Unico, which is under construction. Beside that one is going to be the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. They haven't started on that one yet, but it's the same company that's doing the Unico. So as soon as they finish the Unico, they will start that one. And then beside the Hard Rock is Iberostar. And Iberostar has three hotels on their property. So this area is booming with activity. Actually, you could say all of the North Coast is booming with activity. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the groundbreaking for this hotel. And at 32 floors, this building will be the tallest building in Jamaica and also the tallest building in the English-speaking Caribbean. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has welcomed the US $700 million investment by Mexican hotel group Palace Resorts to develop a 1,200-room Moon Palace resort in Success, St. James, describing the project as a result of deliberate government strategy rather than coincidence. Speaking at the groundbreaking ceremony, Holness emphasized that the massive tourism development was a product of deliberate instrumental policy and government action aimed at attracting large-scale, high-value investments to Jamaica's hospitality sector. The new Moon Palace will be built on 68 acres of prime coastal land formerly owned by the UDC, which falls under the Prime Minister's portfolio. The project represents one of the largest single hotel investments in the island's history and is expected to significantly boost employment, tourism capacity, and foreign exchange earnings. Holness noted that the government's efforts in infrastructure expansion, streamlined investment processes, and tourism promotion has created an environment where global investors are confident in committing major capital to Jamaica. The resort is expected to cater to both leisure and convention markets, offering luxury amenities and reinforcing the island's position as a premier Caribbean destination. The Moon Palace development aligns with broader plans to grow Jamaica's tourism room count, expand the economy, and spread development beyond traditional resort towns into emerging areas like Success in St. James. Alright guys, that is the end of the update article. We will keep you guys updated on this development. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.